In case your locking medium is about to run out, tie another piece of yarn to the end and snip off the edges. Now cut around 3 feet length of locking medium and thread the loose end through the eye of the locker hook. It is best to use not too long length of yarn for the locking medium because it is faster and easier to pull smaller length. Now start hooking the rug yarn from under the fabric. Once the loops of rug yarn have gathered on the shaft of locker hook, pull the hook through the loops as shown. Now adjust the loops of rug yarn with hand as shown, so that knot of locking medium yarn, under the loops, is settled and not visible. In case your rug yarn is about to run out, leave a tail of around 1 to 2 inches of the old yarn and start the new rug yarn as shown. Now start hooking the new rug yarn from under the fabric the same way we started the canvas. Once the loops of rug yarn have gathered on the shaft of locker hook, pull the hook through the loops as shown. Keep on repeating the same process till completion of your project.